Right, hello everyone. So if you remember last time in the open world series, we created this aim offset system for for the bow and arrow, and now today I'm going to use this asset inside the animation blueprint for this character. So actually for this function, at the moment what I do is this transform modify bone part. I am driving the aim in using this transform modify bone by basically by rotating the spine, and if I play that in action, you will see it doesn't perfectly align. So we have those problems here. So also you can see the problems in the spine as well, because it's not good enough. So yeah, we are going to fix those problems. So the first part is how to use this aim offset instead of this body rotation, upper body rotation bone modification system. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Right, so first let me remove this, and where should we apply the aim offset? I think we should apply it after here. Oh, let's see. Yeah, okay, let's try changing this. All right, okay, it is working. Yeah, right. And now for the alpha, I'll use this upper body rotation alpha, and oh no, that could be one always. Yeah, and I'll make this one 0 back because we are not always aiming. And then we need to work on the CO and pitch values, but first what kind of values we get here? So yeah, for the pitch we should get something in between -90 and +90, and for yaw something in between 90 and -90. Yeah, same range. Okay, right, where do we calculate this? Let's see. All right, here let's print this value. Compile. Okay, actually at the moment the aiming is off because I haven't connected yaw and pitch values. I only want to inspect the values I get for the rotation. For pitch, when I look up, when I go from here to here, 0 to 90. Okay, let's check again the way we calculate. Okay, from where do we call this? I think we are calling it from directly from the character. Let's see. Yeah, here. Okay, this is the place. Where else? We have multiple places, alright. Okay, so let's just forget about this part and go here. Where's the anim graph? Yeah, here. I'll split this and connect yo and pitch like this, and let's see what happens. Oh, that's crazy. So we will have to rework this. That is definitely crazy. Okay, right, so what can we do here? First, let's put everything aside. Okay, because I don't want to take everything all in at once. Then yeah, if we are not equipped, boy is not equipped, then definitely we can call this function, this event on the animation blueprint like this: set up a body rotation alpha to 0. So yeah, that part is clear. And if not, so how should we calculate? So for that we need two things. We need to know the target location, the direction that we are targeting at, and also the direction that we are facing. So by using the difference of those two rotations, we can determine the amount we should turn using the upper body. So to get the target rotation, that means the direction we are aiming at, I have implemented this function. So for the CHuman, it just because this has to work with AI characters as well, so therefore it will simply return the direction to, if there is a locked enemy, the direction to that enemy. Otherwise it will just return the control rotation. So yeah, so that's what we receive here. Okay, now let's break this and get the animation blueprint reference, a new reference here like this. Let's completely forget about this, put way up and disconnect here. Right now get control, no, get target rotation. Right now here let's print whatever the values received like this. Okay, and play. Okay, Now you can see when I look up, it goes from 0 to 90, right? And when I look down, goes from 0 to, I'm talking about the pitch value here, alright? So not from 0 to, it's going from 360 to 270, right? 360 to 270. And yeah, so let's resolve the pitch value first. Okay, it seems easier. So 90 to 0 and 360 to 270. So how to convert 0 to 90 part is solved, right? This part should be 0 to minus 90. 360 to 270 should be converted to this range, 0 to minus 90. Okay, so here let's break this and pitch. Yeah, here also we need this. Let's break this part. We don't need any connections to previous values. We can simplify this. Okay, then for alpha I'll set 1 because it has to be 1 in order to effect the aiming. So pitch, let me split this. So if pitch is if the pitch is larger than 270, we should select something else we should select the regular pitch value. So I'll put it here. No, not like that. Let's do a select node, and if it is larger than 270, pick A, otherwise pick B. So how to calculate A? So this value we know, if it is larger than 270, it varies between 270 to 360. So to put it into the range of 0 to minus 90, I'll simply subtract 360 from this and compile. Right, let's see. It is working, but there is a small issue. The issue is arrow is disconnected. Okay, how to solve that? So this is the draw arrow event. From the inventory we get an arrow if there are available arrows, and then we have this arrow blueprint and attach it to the left hand socket. No, that's the bow we attach to the left hand socket. Where is the arrow? Yeah, here we get an arrow, and okay, we have an arrow socket. Where is the arrow socket? It should be in the right hand here. Okay, right. So in order to turn the arrow also towards the aiming direction, we will have to turn the right hand towards the aiming direction as well. So we will have to modify this a little bit. Yeah, this hand should be directly looking down. Okay, I think that's alright. Oh, no, that's wrong. We have to edit them in the real animations. So this one is AO center. Here it's alright, I guess, because I didn't notice any issue when I aim in like this. Yeah, it's okay. And AO down, it's not okay. The arrow will be aiming in a direction like this. So this hand should directly rotate, look below. Right hand. Is that alright? Add a key and apply. And in the up also the same thing should happen. Should be directly looking up. And apply. Okay, it seems alright here. Let's see. And it's not correct here. Okay, now to test this, here I have hard-coded pitch value as 90. So if this is correct, my character should be directly looking above. But as you can see, it's not. There is a slight offset to the above. So why is that? So that's because I have designed this aim offsets to work with this pose. So just to test, if I disconnect everything else and directly put the result here, you will see, yeah, now I am directly looking above like that. So what can we do? Yeah, here we, let's see, here we use the spine 1 for the bone for this layered blending. Let's take a look at here. Okay, so everywhere we keep hips without changing anything. What about the spine? We changed the spine. Alright, so what if we use, let's first try with spine, then if not, let's try hip. Okay, yeah, now it's directly looking above. Alright, great. Okay, now that problem is solved. Let's see, let's connect this again, but we know this is wrong because it didn't work last time properly. It does look up and down. Okay, I think in the down animation the right hand is not looking down enough. Let's make it like this and see. Up or right, down. Yeah, anyway we have to clip these values, so okay, it should be okay when I adjust the yaw as well, because it looks wrong, because we can't decide really if it is correct or right or wrong only with the up and down part, so we need to implement turning part as well. So how to do that? Okay, let's figure out. Okay, I'll stop printing here. Oh, it would be confusing. And here let's print only the yaw value. Okay, it's changing from 0 to 360. Yeah, 0 to 360. Let me quickly draw. If this is the forward, it ranges from 0 to 360. Sorry for the bad drawing. Okay, now the other thing we need to consider is so actually what we printed here is the target rotation. We also need to get the difference between target rotation and the corner and the characters forward. So get actor rotation and a split. Let's do a append here. I'll first print the target rotation and then I'll print the character rotation. It's 0. If I'm facing here, oh, it's minus 159. If I'm facing this direction, it's minus 79. 14 minus 18. Okay, how does it range? 90, 149. Okay, this is the way it ranges. This is control, this is character. I put ch, and it ranges from this way 0 to 180, and this way 0 to minus 180. Okay, this is confusing. This is going to be really confusing, right? And as this episode has taken like already like 30 minutes, I'll break this episode here and continue in the next episode with the yaw correction part. Turn left and right based on the direction we are aiming at, and also based on the direction the character body is facing.